How to remove the bumper from your Mk1 Audi TT.
Jack up the car and take off the wheel.
The next step in removing the bumper
is to remove the dust guard. There is a T25 there and there's a few others. Let's take them off so we have access into the bumper. Okay, by removing all the screws, that means the dust iron can come out this way. That gives us access in here. And you can see there's one little 10mm there and second 10mm there. We'll need to undo both of them to pull the bumper forward. And also there's a screw just there and we need to undo that. That'll release the headlight. So these clips, they can either come off totally or you can just take them off a little bit and then they can just swing around and hang down. Okay, now I have that screw. It's a bit hard to see, but that screw down there and this one up here, now all undone. So that's three of them there. There are two 10mm and this one here I think is a T25. So right, they're now undone.
Next we go under the car.
Next there is two screws, one here and one here. Mine were so rusted, what I did was got the angle grinder, cut a slit into them, and now I can use a flat bladed screwdriver and do them. So the headlight is held in by 4 bolts, one down here at the side, one up here, and one in here behind the grille. So that's why we have to undo the bumper, because we're going to pull the bumper out and do that screw down to there. So now we're going to undo these screws along here. Now wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. That's now the bumper coming off. Brilliant. Okay. And just like that, the bumper's off. Woohoo! Yay! Okay, now to get to the lights that we're doing this all for. Now with the bumper removed, now we can undo this screw here and the one on the far side, and then two on top, and now the lights will be ready to come out.